Sarura Kids.
Girls, have a look. Today we're going to see what we can collect outside on our nature walk. So Mummy's written a few things, and on the list I've written fern, stones, leaves, some twigs and some pine cones. Do you think we can find those?
Yeah.
Good, awesome. And you've got the very important pen. Where's the pen? Where's the pen? Oh, you've got the pen. Good, awesome. So you can do some ticking in when we find them. Right, let's go. Let's put those in our bag. Right, that should be plenty. Thank you, sweetie. And then now you've got to tick off the number on our list. This is the stones. Can you see which one starts with S? Can you say S? Yes, so S for stones. Well done, sweetie. Let's go find the next thing.
Yeah.
Yay! We found some twigs and some leaves.
It's a little mushroom.
Oh, it's not mushroom season yet. Well remembered, that was last year. And yes, the mushrooms were over here last year, but they're not here because it has to be a bit wetter. And it's not quite wet enough for mushrooms.
Sauce.
What's this?
Sauce. Oh my.
I've actually forgotten the names of these. Don't know if this is what they call conkers. I've forgotten the name. Right, do you want to show Mummy some leaves? Wonderful. So we've got some leaves to go into our bag, and we've also got some twigs, teeny tiny twigs. Well done. So can we put some twigs into our bag, please?
Please.
Yes, those are all going into our bag.
No, this one.
Yes, that can go into our bag too. Right, that's wonderful. Right, now who's going to fill in our tick box?
Me.
Let's go find that tick box. So, we found some leaves and some twigs. Can you find le for me, please? Where's le on our tick box? Well done. So leaves start with the letter L. Leaves. So can you take that one in for me, please?
Yeah. Yeah.
Well done. And then we found some twigs, and twigs start with the letter T. Can you see T? T. That's T. Well done. So you can take the twigs. There you go. Have you ticked the twigs?
I did.
Okay, well done, sweetie. Thank you very much. And now we still have to find some pine cones and some fern. We've just spotted some ferns.
Get them.
Yeah. We've got some lovely ferns. It's a sunny day today. So can we see fur? That's fur for fern. So those are ferns. So we spotted some lovely ferns. There's one which is a bit old, just by your boot.
Yeah.
Look on your boot. That's a fern on your boot. That's one that came off a long time ago, so we can take that for our little nature collage. So that's a lovely little fern. Those are very soft. They just look spiky.
Yeah.
Maybe that's this little trick so that people don't touch it. Because they think it's very spiky, but it's very soft.
Touch.
Yeah, you can touch it too. See, it's very soft. Yeah, but it looks spiky. Ah, yay.
It's thick.
It looks spiky. So we can put this one into our bag as well. Thank you, sweetie.
This guy's lady songs.
Well, that's a lady song, is it? But what else did you find?
Oh, I didn't find anything.
Well, what you put in your hand then? What'd you have there in your hand?
Feather.
In the other hand?
Pine cone.
A pine cone, yes. So we found a pine cone. And that was the last thing on our tick box. So we can tick off the pine cone. You have the pen in your pocket. The other pocket.
One.
Yeah. Yeah, it's very hard to open. And you can tick off.
Is it here?
Yes, that's the very last one. So it's an easy one to find. Well done, sweetie pie. And then we can put that pine cone into our bag. I'm going to give you 4 seeds.
Wow.
Okay, maybe 5. I think that pot is big enough. And then, can you count those seeds for me?
1, 2, 3.
No, put them on the floor and count them.
1, 2, 3, 4,
5.
5.
You have to touch each one at a time.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yes, well done. So what we'll do, we'll make 5 holes. Can you see where Mummy's finger is?
Yeah.
Wait a minute, look where Mummy's finger is. Look where Mummy's finger is. 1. And you can throw a sunflower seed in there. 2.
This one? I need to take one.
Okay, yeah, just take your glove off.
Out here.
3.
This one.
Okay.
Ow!
Yeah, she's throwing them in the hole. 4.
This one. The tiny one.
Yeah. And then 5 in the middle.
Here.
Yeah. And then Mummy's going to cover them.
Oh, but the other one not ready yet.
No, we cover them. Oh, you didn't put it in? Oh, okay. 5. And then we'll cover them. We have to cover up with more soil. Right. And then we're going to get our jug of water. All the way around, all the way around. All the way around, all the way to the edge of the watering can. That's it, all the way around. And that's it, all done. So what we're going to do is we're going to leave them there and they will start to grow because we put water on them and we'll keep checking on them every so often and adding more water on them, okay?
Yeah.
And we'll keep them here in the kitchen by the fireplace so we can keep a close eye on them where it's nice and warm. And once they start to grow, then we can start to get them used to being outside. And then our sunflowers can really, really, really grow. Yeah, but that's going to take a little bit of time. So, we'll see them later. We're going on a treasure hunt. And do you have your treasure map? Where's the treasure map? Yes? Yeah! Mummy's also got a treasure map. That's our animal treasure map. Show it to Mummy. Show Mummy. Wow, so there's lots and lots of animals. Yes, you've got your treasure map too. Lots of animals that we can find everywhere. And we're going to take a little walk and see what we can find today. Right.
I lost it. I have to put a deer on.
Yes, we forgot to put the deer on, but we're going to do the deer afterwards. Because Mummy forgot. You did tell me and then I just forgot.
Colours.
Yes, they're the big cows. Yes, big cows. Yes, you saw the cows. Yes, they're eating grass. What big happy cows they are. Yeah. And the cows are eating grass in the field. Yes, there's a big daddy bull behind that cow. And they're going for a little walk. Hello, daddy bull. Oh, look at you. That's a big daddy bull. Woman cow is called a cow, but a boy cow is called a bull. Or daddy cow really is called a bull. They're eating hay. Look at those bunnies hopping. Look at them hopping in the back. Yeah, they're hopping up and down. Yay. They're sleeping. Oh, they look like they're hopping. What do we have outside? There's a bunny in the back garden and it's raining. Yes, there's muddy puddles. Today's a bit of a rainy day, so it's a bit unfortunate. There's a little bunny just in the back garden. Yeah, bunny's eating some grass. You think that's a baby bunny or a mummy bunny? And it ran away. Oh, it went under the hedge. Bye-bye, bunny. See, the mummy bunny looks so big next to the baby. Oh, baby bunny's run away. Where's the baby bunny gone? Where's the baby bunny gone? Baby bunny, yes.
Buggy bug.
There's a ladybird as well. It's hopping away. Thank you. and put them. Yeah, so you'll see how it'll all look later on. Yes, that's the owl. So cute. That's a very pretty one. Yay. Can you see this?
Yeah.
We've got some things that we've got to go and spot.
Buggy.
Yes, you can look from your buggy as well.
A daffodil.
Yes.
And some trees.
Yes, and that's a bird's nest. Mummy's drawing is not that great. This one is a bird's nest.
Daffodil. Bird's nest. Trees. And a look.
Yes.
Stream.
Well done. So those are the things that we've got to find today. Do you think you can help me?
Yeah.
Brilliant. Now, which way do we go to get to the stream?
That way.
We go to the right. Which one's your right? Well done. So we're going to go to the right. Let's go.
Yeah.
And keep your eyes peeled.
My eyes peeled.
Yes, that just means keep your eyes open.
Eyes peeled.
Oh, what have you found?
Sticks.
Tiny sticks are called twigs, and those look like very tiny sticks to me. So what do you think those are? Are those twigs?
No.
They're not twigs. You sure? Okay, right, let's keep on walking then. Let's see what we can see. Remember? Oh, what have you spotted? Daffodils! We spotted some daffodils! Yay! Right, so we spotted some daffodils. Good spotting. Well done. And so this can go into our notebook. So let's go get the notebook. You've still got the pen?
No. Yeah.
Yes, you do. Right, and let's write in our book.
Here it is.
Yes, so if you tick in the box. Well done. Thank you. And let's keep going. Did you just spot something?
Trees.
You spotted a lot of trees, and when there's lots of trees in one place, it's called a forest. So we have
There's more
found the forest.
daffodils there.
There's lots of daffodils there, you're right. But there's also lots and lots of trees. So inside the forest, we also have lots of daffodils. There's lots of daffodils around here. We're going into the deep, dark woods.
It's okay, I got the light on.
You've got the light on. Well done.
Well, see where we're going.
That's good.
The light is on. I can see where I'm going.
That is wonderful.
Be quiet.
Deep, dark woods, yes.
Quiet.
We're in the deep, dark woods. Shh. Is there a gruffalo in these deep, dark woods?
I got the light. will be safe.
You spotted something else.
Let's look out for this.
Yay! Yes, you're right. Let us write on the list. So we have spotted a bird's nest. Yes, so you tick that box. And before we spotted the bird's nest, we spotted a forest. So let's tick the forest. A forest is where all the trees are, remember?
Here.
Yes, that's the one. With lots and lots of trees.
Oh, a baby egg. When a baby chick hatched.
Yeah, that's what that is. That wasn't even on our list, but we spotted a little bird's egg. So a little birdie will have come out of that, won't it? Mummy will show you, sweetie, don't worry.
I'll take it home. That way Daddy's bird will take it.
Well, once the birdie comes out, it doesn't need the shell anymore.
Why?
So it hatches and then it flies away. Well, it stays for a little bit and has something to eat. And then it gets strong and then it flies away. And I think someone spotted something that wasn't on the list. Did you hear that birdie?
Yeah.
Yeah? Those were pheasants.
Yeah.
Yes, pheasants were running around and flying through the trees. And somebody just spotted them.
Do we need to find?
Well, let's have a look at our list. We also need to find some logs and the stream. So you remember what logs look like, don't you? So when you spot some logs, just tell Mummy and we'll stop and you can tick it off.
That's that.
Yes. Right, let's keep going, girls.
We need that thing and that.
Yes. So those are the last things on our nature hunt. Yes. On our little tick list. Well done. Right, let's keep going. So somebody just spotted some logs. Yay! Well done. We'll tick that off the list. Well done. We spotted some logs.
We need one more thing.
Yes, only one more thing to go, and that's the
Stream.
Yay! So we will find the stream. Let's keep going. And what did we find here?
Logs.
We found some logs, yes. So there's a lot of logs over here. And you remembered that this is where we found some mushrooms. But that was last year, so that's very good remembering. Yeah. So the mushrooms grow just by these logs. And what else can you see on the logs? What's that green stuff?
Moss.
Yes, it's a moss, isn't it? Yeah, so very well remembered.
Oh.
Yes, there was a car that went past as well. Well done. Yay. So what happens is that they cut down all these logs and then they put them here and it becomes a little hotel for nature. So you find all sorts of things inside there. You find bugs, you find little insects, you find just lots of creepy crawlies. You find, like you saw last year, mushrooms.
Chocolate.
But you don't find chocolate inside the woods. More chocolate.
No.
Okay.
Chocolate.
Okay.
No chocolate.
There you go. So yes, this becomes a lovely little hotel for lots of different bugs and little creatures that live inside there.
The one there.
Oh, what do you see?
I see a bug under you.
Oh, they're very, very tiny little insects everywhere around us in nature. Sometimes you have to stop and take a very close look. And you don't always see them until you get very, very close. And the little ants running around.
There
But
it
Mummy's...
is.
Where is it? Oh, a little flying thing, yeah. A little flying midge.
It's on your trousers.
Yes, they do fly everywhere. But Mummy's camera can't catch them. But now, yes, when we slow down and we look closer, you can see lots and lots
There
of
it
things.
is.
Yes, well spotted. Right, let's move on and find something else.
Yay, mine learn. Yay.
So what have we spotted? Yes, the water. And that's the stream.
Now let's put down our list.
Okay.
Here.
That's the one. Well done. So now we have spotted everything on our nature list.
Yeah.
Well done. And now we can see what we can throw into the stream. Yes?
This.
Yes, we've spotted everything and you've ticked them off nicely. Well done, sweetie.